Hi everybody, I just wanted to do a quick quick lesson on how to have the emails sent to the summer 2020 staff group directly to your inbox instead of hanging out in limbo in the group. So the first thing you need to find is the original email where you were added to the group from Mr. English. I have mine pinned right here at the top. View group in Outlook. And then it's going to come up and it's going to look like just a secondary email account. The trick to getting those emails forwarded automatically and instantly to your WCPS inbox is to click on and then toggle this to on where it says follow in inbox. And that should automatically go ahead and just forward those emails from this group directly to your WCPS inbox. It's a really simple process. It should take you just a couple of minutes to configure. You just need to find that original email from Mr. English, click right into it, and then add to toggle the follow to inbox on.